Hey TechTalks Hub. Ever feel stuck between .NET Core and .NET Framework? You are not alone. Both are awesome tools, but choosing the right one can be tricky. In this video, we'll break down the key differences, performance, and future outlook of these frameworks to help you make an informed decision. Buckle up, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one to pick for your next project. Overview. First things first, let's meet the contenders. The .NET Framework, the OG released in 2002, is a complete package designed for Windows applications. Think of it as a giant toolbox with everything you need to build desktop software, web apps, and more. It's been the go-to for Windows development for years. .NET Core, the new kid on the block, introduced in 2016, is all about the modern world. It's a leaner, meaner framework that works on Windows, Linux, and macOS. This flexibility makes it perfect for building modern apps that run anywhere. Plus, Microsoft designed it with cloud and high-performance needs in mind. Performance showdown. When it comes to speed, .NET Core takes the lead, especially for server-side applications. It's built for lightning-fast performance, which is crucial for web apps where response time is king. Benchmarks show it consistently outperforms .NET Framework, especially for handling lots of users or big data. Think of it as a sports car compared to a sturdy SUV. Cross-platform. This is where .NET Core shines. It lets you build apps that run on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, and macOS. This is a game-changer for developers who need to target various platforms or deploy their apps in the cloud. Imagine writing your code once and using it everywhere, no matter the system. .NET Framework, on the other hand, is best friends with Windows. It's perfect for Windows-specific applications like desktop apps, but it won't work on other systems. When to use which, picking the perfect framework. So, which framework should you choose? Here's a cheat sheet. Building a brand new cross-platform app, especially web-based or cloud-native. Go for .NET Core. It's fast, flexible, and has Microsoft's ongoing support. Think RESTful APIs, microservices, or containerized apps. Working on a legacy Windows application that uses specific Windows features? Stick with .NET Framework. It plays well with components like WCF and Windows Forms, which aren't fully supported in .NET Core. Migrating to .NET Core might require a big overhaul, so it might not be worth it depending on your project. Large investment in existing .NET Framework apps and tools, and no need for cross-platform? .NET Framework might be the more practical choice. The future is now. Where are we headed? Microsoft is all in on .NET Core for future development. With .NET 5 and beyond, they're merging the best of both worlds into a single framework. This means .NET Core will keep getting new features, performance boosts, and even better cross-platform support. Don't worry, .NET Framework isn't going anywhere. Microsoft will keep it running for existing apps with security updates and bug fixes. But the exciting new stuff will be happening in .NET Core and its successors. Conclusion. In conclusion, both .NET Core and .NET Framework have their own strengths and ideal use cases. .NET Core is the future-proof choice, offering superior performance, cross-platform capabilities, and continuous innovation. It's perfect for new projects, especially those that require high scalability and flexibility. On the other hand, .NET Framework remains a solid choice for existing Windows-based applications, particularly when dealing with legacy systems or Windows-specific features. Ultimately, the decision between .NET Core and .NET Framework should be based on your project's specific needs, your existing technology stack, and your long-term goals. Thank you for joining me on this in-depth comparison. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TechTalks Hub for more insightful content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you and help you with your .NET journey. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.